Welcome to everybody. Today we are solve assignment 2 ledger creation with the groups in Tally Prime. Last class we have solved assignment 1 ledger with the groups. Today we are going to solve assignment 2. First we will start a Tally Prime. These are the ledgers and these are the groups. We have to create the ledgers according to this group, under this group. Clearing charges comes under indirect expenses. Commission received is comes under indirect income. Interest on investment comes under indirect income. Interest on bank deposit comes under indirect income. Factory rent comes under indirect expenses. Factory expenses come under indirect expenses. Royalty comes under, if you are taken any franchisee, then you have to pay for the royalty. That is comes under indirect expense. Coal, gas and water comes under direct expense. Motive water comes under power direct expense. Salary comes under indirect expense. Office rent comes under indirect expense. Insurance comes under indirect expense. Postage and telegrams comes under indirect expense. Debitors comes under sundry debitors. Creditor comes under sundry creditors. These are actually main roles plays. We'll start one by one creating. First we'll continue in educational mode. First we'll create one new company. Go to company, then click on create. Then we'll create here exercise 2. Then we'll go to create. After creating the company, here it is created exercises 2. We'll click on create, then ledger, then press enter. First one is clearing charges. Clearing charges comes under which type group? Indirect expenses. Indirect expenses. Next, commission received. Indirect expense. Indirect income. This comes under indirect income. Then interest on investment. Interest on investment. If you received bank interest, then it comes under indirect income. Then interest on bank deposit. Interest on bank deposit, indirect income. Factory rent. Factory rent comes under indirect expense. Factory expenses, that comes under indirect expenses. Royalty comes under Fuel comes under indirect expense. Coal, gas and water. Coal, gas and water comes under direct expense. Direct expense, where it is? Direct expense. Motive power comes under direct expense. Salary comes under indirect expense. Office rent also comes under indirect expense. Insurance comes under indirect expense. Debitors comes under which group? Sundry debitors. That is sundry debitors comes, it is a subgroup. It comes under the current assets. Debitors also comes under the current asset. Then creditors, sundry creditors. This is sundry creditor comes under the current liabilities because we have to pay back to somebody. In sundry debitors, what it is, the money has to be come from somebody to us, so that is called as a current asset. Sundry creditor means we have to pay some of the amount to the distributor or somebody, that is, it comes under the current liability. These are the groups, ledgers and groups we have created in this exercise assignment 2. Next we will going to create assignment 3, assignment 4, like that we will going to create. Keep watching. Thank you one and all. If you have any problem in Tally Prime, please feel free to contact us. Thank you one and all.